Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the code execution cannot proceed because concrt140.Dll was not found. Let's fix it guys. For that you just want to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. In here select the uninstalled program and here you just need to uninstall 2015 Microsoft Visual C++ x64, uninstall it. Select as and uninstall it guys. After uninstalling it, x64, uninstall the same x86, uninstall it. Microsoft Visual C++, click on S and uninstall it. Click uninstall. After getting uninstalled successfully, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. Now you just want to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, go to Google Chrome or any web browser you are using it. Type Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. Press enter. Click the first one, official Microsoft website. Click on it. Scroll down guys, select the download and select checkmark the file name, both of it, and select next. Total size 27 MB. This will automatically downloads up. Click on allow and download it. And after getting download finished, click on the file and select show in folder. Close out of the browser. You just want to install one by one guys. First I'm gonna install 64. Double click on it and select I agree and select install. Select as and install it. After getting installed succeed, you just need to install the x84 the same way. Double click on it and select I agree and install it. Select as, and after getting installed done, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. And after restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.